Okay, so we talked in a previous lesson about evaluating, and that just means solving, and we're evaluating expressions here. So we're going to replace our variable with a given value. Value just means number. Given means they're giving it to you in the problem. So they're going to tell you some number that the variable equals. And so you replace the variable with that, and then you evaluate. And we've also talked about that evaluate is just a fancy word for solve. So put that value in and solve it. Okay, let's look at example number 1. So 3x plus 5, which means 3 times x plus 5. Here we have a model. So we've got the 3 x's, and then we've got 5 ones that are being added to that. They're giving us a value here. They're saying x equals 4. So here we have the model redrawn, but this time instead of x, we're going to say 4 because we know x equals 4. So this 4, 4, and 4, that's 12. And then we've got the 5 over here. And 12 plus 5 equals 17. So if they told us to evaluate that expression with x equals 4, then we know it's going to equal 17. Now, as far as how this would look on a test question or a star question, it would look like this. So we've got the model below represents 4y plus 2. So we've got 4y's plus 2 equals 2y plus 6. So 2y's and then plus 6. And it says which value of y makes the equation true. So they've given us 4 possibilities for what y could equal. We need to try all of those possibilities. So I'm first going to start with A, which is that y equals 4. So everywhere where I see a y, I'm going to draw a little 4. And then I need to figure out what each side equals. So that's 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18. So the left side is 18. And over here we have 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 18 does not equal 14. So I know A is not my answer. Now I'm going to try B, which is that y equals 3. So now I'm going to put a little 3 everywhere where I see y. And if it helps you, you might want to, if this was a test question, you might want to cross out all the 4s just so that you're not confused. But since I'm using different colors, I'm just going to leave them. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, and then 13, 14 on the left side. And then 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and again, 14 does not equal 12. That's not true, so we know that that's not our answer. C says that y is 2. So I'm going to plug in a 2 everywhere where I see a y. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 does equal 10. That sounds good, so I think that's my answer. But we always want to try every answer choice. Don't just assume that your answer is right. So I'm going to plug in 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 does not equal 8, so I know my answer is not D.